Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share HPC IMP questions. So these are the questions. First, explain SIMD, MIMD and SIMT architectures with suitable diagram. This question is occurred in 3 papers. Explain the impact of memory latency and memory bandwidth on system performance. Next question is describe the scope of parallel computing. Give applications of parallel computing. Next question is explain the basic principle working of superscalar architecture. Next question is explain the message passing cost or also called as communication cost in parallel computers in parallel machine. Next question is describe the uniform memory access and non-uniform memory access with diagrammatical representation. This question is also occurred in 2 papers. Now let's see for the second unit. Explain any 3 decomposition technique with example. This question has occurred in all 3 papers. Now next question is explain different characteristic of task. This question is also occurred in all 3 papers. Third question is describe the mapping technique for load balancing. This question is occurred in 2 papers. And next question is explain in details parallel algorithm model. Next question is explain the classification of dynamic mapping techniques. This question is also occurred in 2 papers. From the previous questions I have analyzed and given these questions to you. So it's better that you complete all these questions. If you do these questions, you will shortly receive 20+ marks. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share, subscribe please. Thank you.